Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Big action in these markets out here. To begin a great relationship, know what you want. Know what the needs of your body are and what the needs of your mind are, and what fits well with you. There are millions of men and women, and some of them will make a good match, and others won't. The two of you only need to be like a key and a lock, a match that works. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 434, NASDAQ up 154, S&P's up 39, gold contract up $8.70, trading at $13.23 an ounce. Silver up 22 cents, $16.06 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 97 cents, trading out at $54.28. Notes and bonds, I just won't give it up, folks. 10-year note up 8 ticks, 122.01. 30-year bond up 4, trading at 145.25. Bottom line, folks, you had Powell come out. They're going to basically look at the balance sheet. Bottom line, dovish statement like extraordinaire. We have the 10-year yield in right now, 2.68. The low for the year, folks, is 2.55. And guess what? This 10-year bottom line is going to go a lot lower than 2.5. We get rates that are going down. If you take a look at the Fed Fund future rate for the year of 2019, we were only at a probability. I got to put it up on the screen for you so you're watching Tiger TV. This is so cool, folks. It's pretty amazing, actually. So if we take a look at this, this is the Fed Fund future rate for the year of 2019 and January of 2020. When we started out this morning, now what you're going to see is this. Your effective rate right now, we're 2.25 to 2.50. You see the effective rate up in the corner. Bank-to-bank rate overnight is 2.40. So when you go, when we take a look at it, what is the probability that you're going to go from 2.5 to 2.75, you can see what has happened is that this morning, the highest number was that you were at 25% probability that you would go up in September a quarter basis point, right? Bottom line, that is down to 10% in September. But what is really intriguing is that the largest number on this whole screen is that we will have a rate cut in December of next year. That's at 12%. Bottom line, you get the gist of it. What you have out here is that rates are not going up. That's why this not only the market took off, but you had the dollar go south, and you had the metals market take off topside also. After the close out here, lots of numbers. Let's start with Facebook. Facebook's going to be an ABC structure on the way up. Facebook closed today at $150.42. That is trading up an additional $11 right now. Numbers on Facebook go like this. The estimate had been $16.39 billion. They took in $16.91 billion. Big number. Earnings per share estimate was at $2.18. They took in $2.38. And if technically, if you want to see how this was set up, folks, they were buying this right into the close. It's going to be an ABC structure in the way up. Your B point on this was $152.43 with 31 million shares. Well, we did 35 million shares. So it's a very large ABC structure up. So 171 is coming at you, folks. Bottom line is that what that did inside the NQs, we take a look at the NASDAQ 100. What you're going to see with the NASDAQ 100 is that that baby was rocking and rolling. When first Microsoft came out, Microsoft was a little light. That was trading down $1. That brought the NQs down to 67.88. Right now, you're at 68.28. This also, it looks to me like more than likely. Now, what's going to be intriguing here is that the swing high on this is 68.28, where we are right now. So depending on what kind of volume we get inside the NQs, let's just see this. We can gauge this right now, actually. So you're dealing with 498,000. Oh, boy, look at this. This is very well could be an ABC structure on the way up in the NQs. And if that's the case, this is going to get wild. The reason being is that my take is that we're going to go to the October 11th swing low. But if, in fact, we break this with volume out here today, then that's going to change that texture because the NQs, which are the strongest indices and have been, is that you get the low there is 61.36. The highs 68, so you're talking about 61.4, which get you up to almost 7,000. Oh, interesting, though. No, it's the same number. Okay, so bottom line is that the 10th is still game here. The 10th and the 11th is still game as to where that baby does want to go. Microsoft, let's go take a look at Microsoft out here. So Microsoft closed at 106.38. Microsoft is trading right now 104.40. So bottom line is that Microsoft, here's the numbers on Microsoft. Estimate was $32.5 billion. They did 32.5. Earnings per share, where is it, baby? Let's see. Revenue miss estimate shares. Let's see. Okay, so earnings per share, they missed by a penny. 109, 108. That's what they did. We'll see if, in fact, can this baby still hold up? Facebook's going to be the number, though. There's no doubt. Facebook was up $6 today prior to their numbers. You're up an additional $10 right now. That's a clean ABC structure on the way up. And you want to look at Facebook, folks, if you want to understand those ABC structures and understand about when equities, whether it's an equity, whether it's a currency, when they're pushing into their swing with expanded volume, your probability is much higher that you're going to basically blow through that number. And Facebook was a classic out here today. You got to remember, Facebook, off its highs, has got smoked. The bottom line is that you went straight down from $218. We hit a low 4 weeks ago of 123. That being said, what you did do is that we came off that low. You had some decent volume on the 18th of January. You backed down with light volume. All day long today was pushing into that swing point, had volume pushing into that swing point. That is a big number. Tesla, we take a look at Tesla out here. Let's see where Tesla is trading. So Tesla closed at 308.77. Tesla right now is trading at 310, 311. And that's going to get really interesting because they say, let's see, what do they have to say here? Okay, the estimate, earnings per share estimate was $2.14. They made $1.93. So they missed their number, but guess what? They are basically pushing it higher anyway. Tesla targets a 25% adjusted gross margin on the Model 3 at some point end 2019. They have reduced their cost by $400 million annually. He's got enough in there, folks, to bottom line hold the stock up when he's got a miss on the numbers. Coming right back. Stay right there, folks.